Hey guys, if your Vissani portable air conditioner is running but only blowing warm or slightly cool air, don't worry because this is a common issue. In many cases, the problem isn't a major failure but something simple like incorrect settings, a dirty air filter, a blocked exhaust hose, or excess water inside the unit. Checking these areas can often restore normal cooling in just a few minutes. These are the steps you can try to fix this. So, let's get started. Step 1. Set the unit to cool mode. Lower the temperature to 61 degrees Fahrenheit and wait about 5 minutes. Step 2. Remove the rear air filter, clean off any dust, and reinstall it securely. Step 3. Check that the exhaust hose is straight, firmly connected, and venting outside. Step 4. Drain the water from the bottom drain port if the tank is full or a P1 FL code appears. Step 5. Let the AC run for 10 to 15 minutes and confirm the exhaust hose feels warm.